How I saved my ass. I'd been shopping online looking for new seats. I was looking at spending $500 to $800, and I had already tried various pads and cushions, and I wasn't happy with any of them. So I decided to try to install my own gel seat, and it wasn't that hard. Here's a picture of my finished seat, and it only took about 30 minutes. I found this product on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. I chose this kit because the foam and the gel are attached to each other already, and it comes with a smoothing foam to go over the top. These are all the tools that I used. I'll put links down below to everything you'll need. So let's get started. First, turn the seat over and begin removing all the staples. I used a flathead screwdriver to pry up the staples and a needle nose pliers to pull them out. Turn the seat over, remove the cover, and also don't forget to remove the moisture barrier. Put it aside because you're going to need it later. I chose to use the gel side down and the foam side up, but you can use it either way. Lay your pad on the seat and draw out your desired shape on one side. Cut one side using the scissors, then take the excess, flip it over to the other side, trace it out, and then cut that side with the scissors. And now both sides are even. Center the pad on the seat, then trace around it with the Sharpie. The gel is a 1/2 inch thick and the foam is a 1/2 inch thick. Adjust your utility knife so that it will cut a maximum depth of 1 inch. I started by first cutting around the border. First, I cut the vertical lines about 1 inch apart. Then I cut the horizontal lines about 1 inch to 2 inches apart. To remove the foam, you simply pinch and pull it back. Repeat this process until all the foam is removed. Next, I used a small rasp to smooth out the foam where my pad is going to sit. And now it's ready for the insert. Apply spray adhesive to both the seat and the gel side of the pad. Allow a couple of minutes for the spray adhesive to get tacky before you insert the gel pad into the seat. Next, apply the spray adhesive to the smoothing foam into the seat and stretch the smoothing foam around the seat. Cut any excess off with your scissors. And the last step is stapling the cover back on. I used a pneumatic stapler, but a hand stapler will do. This is the finished result, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I have now ridden with this seat for thousands of miles, and I have no butt fatigue. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.